Hello students, we are going to start your grammar topics. You know that in your syllabus you have transformation of sentences. So this is your topic for in your syllabus, that is transformation of sentences. Before starting how we can transform the different kind of sentences, we will first of all discuss what are the types of sentences. And today we will deal with only three types. There are different type of sentences, but today we will discuss only three type of sentences, which is simple, compound and complex. As you can see, in simple sentence, I have written one example. The example is, he is poor. He is the subject, is a verb or a helping verb, and poor is the object. So what are the simple sentences? We call those sentences as simple sentences in which there is one subject and there is one subject and one object, and it deals with the subject plus verb plus object form. If a sentence is in the form of subject plus verb plus object, then it is called a simple sentence. In Punjabi, simple sentence is called Sadharan Bak. Now we come to the compound. In this we can see it is written, he is poor and he is happy. Subject plus verb plus object. Another subject, another verb, another object. But these two sentences, these two simple sentences are combined by a conjunction. These are combined by a conjunction which is and. So, what are the compound sentences? The sentences which combine the two simple sentences. We know that if there is no, if we remove this sentence, he is happy, this whole clause, this is clause 1, it is meaningful. He is poor, it is meaningful. It is a meaningful sentence. He is happy, this is clause 2. And this sentence is also meaningful. Though both the meaningful sentences are joined by a conjunction, then it is called a compound sentence. He is poor, वो गरीब है, अते वो खुश है. Both sentences are meaningful on their own. Independently they are meaningful. They are just joined by a conjunction. Now we come to the, before coming to the complex sentence, I would like to tell you that compound sentence are called in Punjabi, we call it a Sanjukt Vak. Next we come to the complex sentence. Here also we have two clauses. Clause 1 and this is clause 2. Clause 1 say, though he is poor. Though means chahe. Chahe wo gareeb hai. It is this sentence is not meaningful sentence. If I say though he is poor and stop here, it is not a meaningful sentence. I need something else to add to it to make it a meaningful sentence. So I have added, he is poor. Chahe wo gareeb hai, par wo khush hai. So this in complex sentence we have two clauses. One is the principal clause or main clause. Another is the subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Principal clause is meaningful and it does not need any other clause to complete its meaning, and subordinate clause needs principal clause to complete its meaning. For example, if we see this example, though he is poor, he is happy. He is happy is a meaningful clause. So it will be a, he is happy will be a principal clause. And though he is poor, it is not a meaningful clause. It needs a principal clause to complete its meaning. Subordinate clause depends upon the principal clause or the main clause. So in complex sentence, we have one meaningful clause which is called principal clause, and another is the subordinate clause which needs principal clause to complete its meaning. So in complex sentence also we have two clauses. In compound sentence also we have two clauses. Only the difference is that in compound both clauses are meaningful, but in complex only one clause is meaningful. So that is all about the three types of sentences. Thank you.